Alright guys, we're back here on the Uncle series, but this is part 2 of the corn harvest. So I'll see you guys in the harvester. Alright. Alright, we're just getting into the field. Just opening
Nothing. I'll use your can.
Hold on, we gotta connect the other one. That gives us a better power if we do the double PTO style. You got the grain cart out yet?
No, because I am not flipped over.
We're gonna be trucking, Bentley. How'd you flip it over again?
You flipped it over, because then I flipped it over.
No, I unflipped it. Here, I got you.
Thank you. I figured since you flipped it, I should flip it too.
Yeah.
I definitely was not recorded when you flipped it.
There we go. Now I got both PTOs
Oh, I
going.
cannot do this. Henry,
What?
it's lagging too much.
What do you mean?
You gotta see this. What happened whenever I did lag?
What are you talking? Oh my god. How do you flip it again?
I'll just use the 6R. Having technical difficulties. Maybe I'm worse than Jimmy. You need to fight with me. Wait, let's think about it. Get Oh my god! It didn't flip. It didn't flip.
Running 12 out one. I'll see you guys when you turn on top. Alright. We're just getting into the field. Just opening up.
Nothing. I'll use your can.
Alright. We're just getting into the field. Just opening up.
Nothing. I'll use your can.